Hey guys, this is your girl Avneet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been meaning to share with you guys an exceptional product that has changed my makeup game. I cannot emphasize enough on the importance of mascara on everyday makeup look. I'm all about no makeup look, and it's also a very big trend this season. Celebs are taking this look to even red carpets, guys. This look is personal favorite because A, everyone has flaws, and for me, my flaws are my highlight point. And B, a little is too much when it comes to everyday makeup. So if you are a college student like me who wants to make a statement without wasting too much time, then what I'm going to talk about in this video is going to be very much beneficial for you. My mornings are not the most exciting part of the day. I somehow manage to struggle through it. And like most of us teenagers, we are always late. So today I'll be showing you a quick no makeup look. Our eyes are the focal point these days. We all wear masks. Hence, the only part that's visible these days are our eyes. And I have always been very particular about my eye makeup. It's a simple routine that I follow. However, it just lifts the entire face. Using just a single stroke of mascara can easily make a big difference on your face. And if you shape your brows using the right product, then nothing gets better than this. I have been using the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. This product is loved internationally, and I'm so happy that it's now available in India. Did you know that this product is loved by big makeup artists across the globe? The one thing that makes this product absolutely amazing are these wavy bristles on the mascara stick. I'll show you guys exactly how this does the magic. So I'm just going to be applying one coat of mascara on my right eye and show you guys the result. Guys, can you see the difference? This is just one coat of Lash Paradise mascara. It is amazing how thick and bold the lashes look on applying Lash Paradise. This is literally taking my lashes to paradise in just one coat. The secret to this voluminous and perfectly done eyelash is the wavy shape of the bristles. The wavy fibers hold more formula than a straight bristle, which is why in just one swipe you see the difference. The wavy bristles also catch each lash and coat it with the formula to give you one long lashes in just one coat. They gently embrace every eyelash, creating a black film more even. The wavy fibers are more dense. They tightly catch every lash, allowing an efficient lengthening effect. The hourglass shape is best to add volume to lashes. So I'll finish off the other eye as well for that perfect fluttery and voluminous eye look. Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris is very easy to use and it glides on very smoothly. That's because of the creamy balmy formula that they use. And the 200 plus wavy bristles versus other mascara brands that has less than 100 bristles makes the application even. Also, these fibers are very soft and flexible. Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris is available at an unbelievable price of INR 799 only. Check my description box for purchase links. So moving on, eyes are not done until you have shaped your brows. Not having well-groomed brows could be a big turn-off. I do not step out of my house without shaping my brows. I use this product by L'Oreal Paris, which is the Brow Artist Genius Kit. It's an all-in-one brow grooming kit. I like to have a natural brow finish, and this product helps me with it. It has a natural finish powder which you can apply after grooming your brows with this spoolie. Then set your brows with the tinted wax, which keeps them in place and even adds a little volume to your brows. You can do this on the go as well, as the kit has a mirror, and this product is only for 900 rupees and it is also available on Nykaa. Brow Artist Genius Kit is an all-in-one brow kit which helps to define, shape and style your brows for the most natural to the boldest look. Choose your style and build the brows you want, and you know what? This will last you for 12 hours and it is waterproof. I'll finish my no makeup look with a bit of blush and lip balm. These two products by L'Oreal Paris have become an absolute need in my makeup routine. Lash Paradise and Brow Artist Genius Kit are my go-to product to create the perfect eye look. Elevate your eye game with just two products and give a new definition to your eyes. It's time you let the eyes do the talking. That's it for today's video. If you're interested in purchasing the products mentioned in the video, then do check the links in the description box. I have mentioned all the purchase links for you guys. Times are uncertain. I urge you all to stay safe and stay indoors. Step out only if it is very important, and do not forget to wear the mask if you do so. Until next time, I love you guys so much and thank you so much for the support.